Namaste students. In previous class, that has to be Bodamas problems. So now that is another one, Bodamas. Bodamas. So Bodamas means what? Okay, first we have to learn Bodamas. What are the rules we have follow, and then we can find out the simplification. Okay, so you know the simplification. Simplification means so four fundamental operations in the same sum we get the answer. Okay, four fundamental operations like that: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. Okay, now bottomless problems, how to that? Now B means brackets. B means brackets. So what, how many brackets are there? Having three brackets are there. First one is common bracket. So we have already seen that common bracket. Next one is flower bracket. Third one is big bracket. Okay, totally three brackets. We have solved first. So in the brackets, B means brackets. So it means totally first one is common bracket. First, what is the sum of in the common bracket, that has to be finished, because so either in the common bracket as multiplication or addition or in the division, whatever it may be, first we have to finish small bracket. So or it is common bracket, then we have go for flower bracket first. We and then so first it is the first we can do it, then it is first one, then it is first one, then it is second one. Okay, it is second one, it is first one. Then so after the flower bracket we can go for big bracket. We have finished it. Okay, keep in the mind brackets has to be there. They have four, totally three brackets are there. First one is common bracket, second one is flower bracket, third one is big bracket. So now we have go for, now look at the question. First we can finish the common bracket. ಕಾಮನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮ್ಮು, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೇನು ಸಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ದ second bracket. Second is flower bracket. Then we can go for big bracket. So now it is, you have already know that odamus. O means off. O means off. D means division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. Same process, but in the brackets has to be finished there. First we have to do it. So first do the operation when the first bracket, that is within this one, this common bracket. Okay, first we have to do this, then flower bracket, then big bracket. So this is the rules you have to follow, and then find out the answer. Just I will take one example. Okay, just look at the board. So this has to be follow that. First one, a question is there: 60 minus big bracket 46 minus flower bracket 14 divided by 8 minus 1 common bracket. So finish flower bracket, finish, and then big bracket. Okay, so which is the brackets are there? So which are the brackets we have to go check it now. Okay, so 60 minus big bracket, then 46 minus flower bracket 14 divided by 8 minus 1 common bracket, it is common bracket, then big bracket. First we should write one second question: 60 minus big bracket 46 minus flower bracket 14 divided by 8 minus 1 flower bracket close, big bracket. First what we do, finish the common bracket. Now look at that, this is the common bracket. First we have to finish common bracket. So what is your common bracket? 60 minus big bracket 46 minus flower bracket. Okay, flower bracket 14 divided by, so 8 minus 1 what? 8 minus 1 7, flower bracket, then big bracket close. So it is common bracket has gone because we can find out the sum. So find the sum. So what is 8 minus 1? 7. That should be, you should write it. So we can close the common bracket. Now we can go for flower bracket. So flower bracket we have to finish. What is the flower bracket? 60 minus, sorry, big bracket, big bracket, big bracket 46 minus 14 divided by 7. What is your answer? 14 divided by 7. 7 divided by 14. 14 to 7 to the 14. So what is your answer? 2. So we can solve the sum. So what is your answer? 2. So big close the flower bracket because we can find out the sum. 14 divided by 7. What is your answer? 2. That should I write in the answer. Now same minus as it cannot change. So that should be right in the sum. Okay. Now what we do? Find out the big bracket answer. 46 minus 2. 60 minus 60 minus 46 minus 2. That is 44. So now find out the answer. So 60 minus 44. So what is your answer? 5. It is 10. 10 less 4. 6. 5 less 4. 1. So what is your answer? 16. That is your answer. That is your answer. Okay. So you have to follow the steps. So very, very important. Okay. So now I will go for second one example. Okay. Okay. Namaste students. Now I will take the another question. So they have, so already I have some solve the sum. B1, it is already A1 already done. So it is C1. Okay. So you know the brackets. So first one common bracket, then small flower bracket, then big bracket. Okay. So now first we should write the question. What I am given to the question that should be written. Okay. 836 minus, okay, minus 665 minus flower bracket 165 plus 264 divided by 66. Then find out the answer. Okay, 66. How much the? So first we have to finish the division. So in the common bracket, what is the common bracket? 264 divided by 66. So what is the 266 divided by 24? So 264. So 264 is a divided by 66. 66, how much the 264? We can check 66 into 4. Okay, 4 6 24. 2 carry. 4 6 24. 24 plus 2. 264. 2 the. Sorry, 4 the. Now we have get the answer. What is your answer? 4. So now write the answer. 836 minus 665 minus flower bracket 165 plus. So plus is the sign plus. So what is the sum of this 264 divided by 66? So that is answer is 4. Flower common bracket is closed. Flower bracket we should write it. Now I will go for flower bracket. What is that answer? 165 plus 4 in the flower bracket. That has to be finished first now. 836 minus 665 minus, so what is your answer? 169. Flower bracket close. Now I will go for find out the big bracket sum. Okay, what is the big bracket sum? 665 minus 169. Is it clear? Now find out the answer. It is 5. It is 15. 15 less 9. 6. 5 is not less 6. Carry 5. 15. 15 less 6. 9. Now 5 less 1. 4. Okay, fine. So now 836 minus 496. 400 and how it is come 496? 665 minus 169. So we get the 496. Now we can subtract the 496. So 836 minus 496. Now subtract it. Okay, 836 minus 496. Okay, so 6 less 6, 0. 3 is not less 9. 7. It is 14. Sorry, it is 13. 13 less 9, 4. 7 less 4, 3. What is your answer? 340. That is your answer. Okay, so now this type you have to solve the problem. So you have to write this one, the common, you have to write it. Okay, so now, so this is, so we can divide it 66 divided by 4. So 66, how much? 264. That is same concept you have to solve in the remaining sums. So okay, very, very easy concept. Okay, first what you can understand for the brackets. So that has to be very easy. You can understand brackets. The Bodamas problem is very, very easy. You cannot understand the brackets. That has to be, everybody know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, but you cannot understand the brackets, which bracket first we have to finish. So okay, that concept you have to learn. So it is very very easy. Okay, first common bracket, flower bracket, then big bracket. Okay, so now I will go for second one sum. So 999 into big bracket 72 divided by flower bracket 65 plus 80 common bracket 84 divided by 12 common bracket close, flower bracket close, big bracket close. So we have go for third one question. Okay, now look at the board. Okay, so now what question is given, that should be, you should write one time. Okay, 999 into big bracket 72 divided by flower bracket 65 plus 84 divided by 12 flower bracket close, big bracket close. So what we do, you know the first common bracket we have to finish. Common bracket is, what is the common bracket? 84 divided by 12. 84. So side work has to be done. 84, it is dividends, bigger number. 12, it is divisor. 12, how much 84? 12, 7 the 84. Is it clear? So your answer is 7. That should be substitute. 999 into big bracket 72 divided by flower bracket 65 plus 7, close the common bracket because we have solved the sum. Next I will go for 999 into 72 divided by 65 plus 7, 7, 66, 67, 68, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Okay. Now, 72 divided by 72. What is your sum? What is the answer? Itself numbers can be divided. The answer is 1. 999 into 1. So that is your answer is 999. 999. So this is a sum. Okay. So easily you have to solve. It's a very, very easy concept. First we can understand the brackets. Okay. I will go for one more example. Okay. It is, I will finish third problem. So totally 3 problems. Now again go for one last one problem I have to solve. Okay. It is the last one. D1 question. Okay. So you know the brackets. Okay. First common bracket, then flower bracket, then find the big bracket. Then, so first what we do, what is the first step? What is the question given? So that has to be written one time. Okay, 126 divided by big bracket 24 minus common bracket, so flower bracket 25 minus common bracket 4 into 3 flower bracket close, big bracket. Okay, so now find out the sum of common bracket. So what is the common bracket? 4 into 3. 4 into 3 what? What is the answer product? 4 3 the 12. Okay, 126 divided by 24 minus common bracket, so flower bracket 25 minus, finish the 4 into 3. 4 into 3 the 4 3 the 12. Okay, so now we can finish. So flower bracket has to be close, then big bracket. So 126. Next we can finish the this sum. Okay, 126 divided by 24 minus, okay, then what is our 25 minus 12? 25 minus 12, it is 13. What is that answer? 13. Okay, now so find out the answer. 24 minus 13, 126 minus, what is the big 24 minus 13? So answer is 11. Answer is 11. So 11 can be divided 126. Okay, can be divided 126. 11. Okay, 11 and 11. Wait for some time. 126. First we have finished. What is the sum? Okay. Sorry for that. Sorry for the mistake. It is 15. Sorry for that. It is 15. Sorry, it is 15. Okay, that's why I'm mistaken. Okay, so 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12, it is 3. Okay, what is your answer? Okay, 24 minus 3, it is 21. 21. So, okay, 21, how much the 126? 21 6 the 21 6 the 126. The answer is 0. Okay, so now it can be divided. So it is 21. Okay, 21, how much the 126? 6 the. Your answer is 6. Your answer is 6. Okay, one number will be mistake. So totally question will be totally wrong. So now I will write 25. So just you can rechange the answer. Question has to be 15. Okay. So now 4 3 the 12. So 15 minus 12. Next then 15 minus 12 is 3. Now 24 is the 24 minus 3. We get the 21. 21 can be divided by 26. We get 6 answer. So 21, how much is 26? 126. 21 6 the 126. These are the examples of Bodamas problems. So totally 10 problems are there. Okay, you have to solve Bodamas problems and then Bodamas problems. Okay. So these are the examples are very easy concept. Okay, you should solve all the problems in the HW. So what about remaining in the exercise? Exercise uh, 3E. So you can leave it that exercise. So only exercise 3F simplification examinations in the predict test 2. I am asking for this type of questions. Totally 2 questions. So one Bodamas problem, one Odamas problem I will give. Okay. So understand for Bodamas and Odamas problems, you have to watch one more time, 1 or 2 times you have to watch which question you can understand. So we can watch the video, then you can understand. I hope all of you understand Bodamas problems and Bodamas problems. Okay, thank you students. Dhanyavad. Okay, improve your knowledge and solve the problems. Exercise 3 of first main and second main. Okay, thank you so much.